In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide the navigation pane in Word. The navigation pane is a useful tool that helps you move easily through your document, particularly in longer pieces of work. Whether you're on a Windows machine or a Mac, there are a couple of ways you can bring it up on your screen. Let's dive into the different methods. First up, let's explore using the ribbon, which many find intuitive. Start by navigating over to the View tab on the ribbon, located at the top of your Word document. The View tab is your gateway to customizing how you see your document, and it's where you'll find tools to make your editing experience smoother. Once you're in the View tab, direct your attention to a section called the Show group. This area contains several options for what you can display on your screen while working on a document. Look for a small checkbox labeled Navigation Pane. A simple click in that box will do the trick. Once selected, you'll see the Navigation Pane pop up on the left-hand side of your screen. The pane provides an outline of your document, making it easy to jump directly to the section you want to edit. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, especially if you're someone who enjoys keeping your hands on the keys, we have another method that's just as simple. On a Windows device, you'll need to press Ctrl and F simultaneously. If you're on a Mac, it's Command and F that'll get you there. This shortcut is a quick way to pop open the navigation pane, which by default will show you the search functionality. This is particularly handy if you're looking for specific words or phrases scattered throughout a lengthy document. Once you're done using the navigation pane and it's time to hide it, there's an easy method for that too. In the upper right corner of the navigation pane, you'll spot a small X. Clicking this X will close the pane, giving you a clear, unobstructed view of your document again. And there you have it. You've learned two straightforward methods to show the navigation pane using either the ribbon or a quick keyboard shortcut, plus how to hide it when you no longer need it. Understanding how to effectively toggle the pane on and off can enhance your productivity significantly, especially in complex or lengthy documents. I hope this guide gives you the confidence to use this feature whenever you need a little extra assistance with navigation in Word. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more efficient document editing experience.